Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create videos using AI in Clipchamp, and here's how it's done. 1. Login. Sign in or create a free account. Click Create a video with AI on the homepage. 2. Get started. Name your video. Upload media by dragging and dropping or clicking Add to Media. Click Get Started. 3. Choose a video style. Pick a video style or let AI choose. Adjust preferences using thumbs up or down. Click Next. 4. Set format and length. Choose landscape or portrait. Select or adjust the video length. Preview and click Next. 5. Customize music and fonts. AI suggests background music and fonts. Change them if needed via music or font options. 6. Create a new version. Optional. Click Create a new version to re-edit. Repeat until satisfied. 7. Export your video. Click Export to save the video. 8. Further editing optional. Add effects, stickers, overlays, or captions by clicking Keep Editing. Use Edit in Timeline for advanced edits before exporting. And that's everything you need to know about how to create videos using AI in Clipchamp.